In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bucket scoop. This is what we use to get the mud out of our buckets. You've probably seen us use it before. This is what it actually is and how it works when you got a bucket full of plaster or cement or stucco or whatever you're using. Just goes down and that gets the mud out of the bucket. So you don't have to reach in there with your hawk or trowel or get all dirty. So that's the scoop that we're going to be making. I'm going to show you how to make one. All you need is a regular pair of snips, battery or any kind of skill saw, screw gun. This is the other snips because I'm not sure which one we're going to use yet. I'm using 3/4 inch pipe only because this is just a regular old leftover piece of PVC. It's about the length of your arm from your elbow to your fingertips, somewhere in that neighborhood, whatever's comfortable. Normally I use 1 inch, but I don't have any, and an old bucket. The reason I'm using this bucket is because the handle is broken off, and they are very hard to carry on just that wire. So let me show you how to do it. Basically, you want to cut it about this high. That's going to be the depth of your scoop. So it doesn't have to be pretty. You just start cutting. That's going to be scrapped. Now the tricky part is to get the other side, you have to cut this, make 2 cuts to make it into 4 sections. Cut these out. So now you have 4 scoop heads. You can see that that's kind of what that one looks like. We're going to round this off. It doesn't have to be real pretty. So now you have your scoop. You can kind of round that off a little bit to get into the corner of the round scoop. Take your PVC and your screw. You want to make sure that your PVC is right up to the bottom of where the bead is on the scoop. Start your screw so you don't have to hang on to it when you're putting it up. Make sure it's nice and square. It looks pretty straight. crooked, so we won't use that one. you have it. Looks just the same as the other one. Now you can make these, you can vary the size on these if you want them bigger. You can make this part bigger, and the way you do that is by cutting it up, cutting this longer, because the scoop goes up. That's where that comes from, is that piece. So if you cut it up here, this will be longer, stick out this way. You can also, if you don't have PVC, you can use a piece of furring strip. The problem with that is sometimes as it wears out, you'll get splinters from it. And the way to protect yourself from that, if that does happen, is just wrap masking tape around it, and then that'll be your handle with some masking tape. So that's all there is to it. Enjoy your scoop making, and remember, practical instead of pretty.